There's nothing worse than investing in a business system and not getting the results you expect. The culture program facilitator gets you all hyped up about the money that you can make and the financial freedom that you can have. Then you get in the program and it falls flat. You know, there might be only a few course lessons that are light on information. You get no real contact with the course provider and you don't earn your money back or learn anything. It's like waiting all year for a special Christmas gift and opening up a pair of socks. Now, I can't speak for other coaching programs out there, but I can tell you that providing as much value as possible has always been the mission behind the 30-Day Credit Repair Agency program. Now, oh, by the way, my name is Dominique Brown, the owner and creator of the 30-Day CRA program. I help people just like you grow profitable credit repair companies so you can have time freedom, financial freedom, and the location freedom that you deserve. And of course, I do this by showing you how to get more leads, more sales, and better results. Now, if you commit to making it through the program, you'll have the tools you need to start making money. There are some key steps you can take to be successful. 1, set aside time each day. This doesn't have to be hours of time either. You can wake up 30 minutes earlier, use 30 minutes on lunch break, or set aside an hour before bed to cover the material. Learn a little by little and implement as you learn things. Everything you need is in the 30-Day CRA program. For instance, I teach you exactly how to set up your branding and website. I even provide you privacy notices and disclosures that you can copy and paste. You can get on the group coaching calls as well. We go through how to set up ads, question about disputing, how to delight clients, how to create loyal clients, and much more. So number 3, get comfortable being uncomfortable. You might encounter strategies in a program you've never seen before. So trust the process, even if it makes you a little bit uncomfortable. I know what I'm doing. I built multiple multi-million-dollar businesses using these systems. Now, students are using these tools to make high 5 figures per month. These system works. Now, before I sign off here, if you've been burned in the past by a course or program, know that the 30-Day CRA program is built different. Credit repair beginners and experts are using this program to reach new heights. The people who consistently follow the steps above are able to earn their money back and more after joining the 30-Day CRA program. So when you're ready to get started, we'll be more than happy to help you reach your goals. Talk to you soon. Oh, by the way, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and check out the description below this video. We have updated links to our best programs and offerings that can help you reach your goals faster. We look forward to helping you reach your goals, and we can't wait to talk to you in the next video.